Hey everybody, what's going on? And welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit of a long time, but yeah. So this video, just wrapping up the install of a transmission and a transmission auxiliary cooler from BD Diesel. I'm just going to show you how the trans cooler installs. So it's going to be a quick video and just give you a rundown of this truck. So let's get to it. Let's show you how it's done. So here it is here. You can see it mounts here. You drill two 5/16 holes and it comes with some self-tapping bolts that go in there with lock washers and flat washers. And then if you look up here, you can see there's two bolts that go into the top of the housing to hold it there. And also comes with these 1/2-inch push lock fittings for the in and out, the bulkhead for mounting the filter. There's a filter it uses. Comes with this 1/2-inch rubber line, a bunch of zip ties, and this bracket and everything. So basically, you find where you can mount this where it's not going to interfere with anything. So as you can see, it has a notch there for the fuel lines and everything to run through. And mark your holes, drill them with 5/16 bit, and then tap those in. There are two 11mm head bolts up there with flat washers and lock washers that go down into the bulkhead of it. And also, they are some O-ring, I believe they're OIC fittings that go to just like normal pipe from there to there and from there to there. And as you can see, you run the lines up. Around the drive shaft, up and over it, and then you come to this fitting here. So this is just a 3/8 pipe to 1/2-inch JIC, I believe it is, that goes to that 1/2-inch 45. That comes with the kit. And then you take a, like to attach this to where it needs to go, you take a small pipe cutter and cut the, take a line, cut it about 6 inches back from this bend here. So it goes like that. And what the kit comes with to install is basically a compression fitting that goes onto the 1/2-inch line. That nut there, that stainless one, or not stainless, but that gray metal one has a ferrule in it, and that ferrule goes around the steel line and squishes against it when you tighten it up in there. And then it comes with another JIC to barbed fitting there, hose clamp, and everything goes back through there. So this line here, I still have to attach it properly so it's not rubbing on here. I'll probably put some rubber line in between there and between there where it's touching, and zip tie it together so it can't vibrate and can't move. And then just have to thread the filter on. So I'm gonna get all that stuff done, and then I will show you the finished product. So there we go. Got her all zip tied up with some what's it called? I'm drawing a blank. With some hose isolators between the two trans cooler lines, so we don't get any vibration between the two and get a hole. Also, what we got going on this unit here is this bad boy. So this is a built BD Diesel transmission. It's a 48RE triple disc converter, billet flex plate, billet input shaft, deep sump pan. Yeah, this unit here, she is capable of holding some horsepower. And also up in here, can't really see it from here, but there is a BD Diesel exhaust brake installed in there, along with their tap shifter and the electronics and a compressor and everything for the exhaust brake. And here is the filter and everything all mounted up. And also, we got this thing. We got this unit here too. That is a fast 165 gallon per hour. Good for up to 900 horse. So we got that installed, and it has a sump in it. This is a top sump. So you install the sump in the bottom, and then there is a tube that comes down from the top of the tank down into here and gets fastened onto one of the lock rings on the inside. And yeah, that draws from the bottom up to the top into the fast, and then also has a return on the top. So this truck here is gonna be one reliable rig once we're all done with it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and just a basic walkthrough of installing the BD diesel auxiliary trans filter. So thank you for watching, hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.